I was asked several times whether I would chair the group on regulatory aspects. I had to be asked several times because I refused each time until I finally allowed my arm to be twisted, because they said my experience of biotechnology might be relevant. And since they simply wanted somebody to chair the group rather than to make brilliant suggestions, I said, well, I can sit there chairing the group and other people can make the brilliant suggestions. I think one of the main findings is the negative one, which came up in that exchange towards the end there, that we don't see an urgent need for new regulation in the sense of legislation. We've seen too many mistakes of that sort, and we see the existing apparatus within medicines, within medicinal devices, as quite adequate to address the assessment of the individual products that may come forward from nanotechnology's applications in medicine. Well, I think it's very important to do it now at a time when we're undergoing major debate on various healthcare regulations. We're still running in the new EMEA in terms of its experience of addressing new technologies. I think there's no time like the present. There's a great deal of research and innovation going on, not merely in Europe, but worldwide. And the people being invited to fund that sort of research and innovation want to have some idea if there are any roadblocks in terms of regulatory acceptability. They've seen some of the tragedies that have happened with over-regulation of biotechnology in Europe, and the result being that we have driven many small firms and excellent researchers out of Europe.